Tired of chasing leads and ready to have qualified buyers call you directly from Zillow? I'm going to walk you through the crucial steps to optimize your Zillow presence and turn browsers into callers. So let's get started. First, claim your Zillow profile and make sure it's complete. Add a professional headshot, a compelling bio highlighting your expertise and experience. And don't forget to include your contact information prominently. Your phone number is key. Next, focus on your listings. High-quality photos are non-negotiable. Use professional photography to showcase the property's best features. Write detailed descriptions that highlight key selling points. And don't just list features, tell a story. Use captivating language that evokes emotion and paints a picture for potential buyers. Now, let's talk about reviews. Positive reviews build trust and credibility. Actively solicit reviews from past clients. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, professionally and promptly. This shows that you value client feedback and are committed to providing excellent service. Another effective tactic is to become a Zillow Premier Agent. This allows you to showcase your listings prominently and gain exclusive leads in your chosen zip codes. While it requires an investment, the increased visibility and lead generation can be well worth it. Finally, consistently monitor your Zillow performance. Track your listing views, inquiries, and call volume. Use this data to identify what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly to continuously improve your results. Implement these strategies and watch those beer calls roll in. Now you're equipped to turn Zillow from a listing site into your personal lead generation machine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips, and let me know in the comments what strategies have worked best for you.